This is Colin Macaulay, and this is Macaulay's Movie Report Card. The movie today is Birds of Prey, The Emancipation of Harley Quinn. The movie is adequate. The plot is, it's about Harley Quinn's escape from the Joker's love. She breaks up with the Joker, blows up Axis Chemicals, where her and the Joker had their origin story. And she goes on an adventure with the hunters, and some other heroes, and a little Asian girl. Okay, the report card. The movie, as I said, it's good. The plot is about one of the best plots I've seen, so it deserves an A in my book. The writing is also an A, which is good. The acting is A. It's really good. The director, Cathy Yan, whatever, I'd say she's good. I've only seen one of her. I only seen this movie she directed, and the performance was good. This has been Macaulay's Movie Report Card. See you at the movies.